was playing with his favorite toys on the living room floor. Toy cars, blocks, dinosaurs all over the place. Suddenly, poof! Soapy the Fairy appeared above the mess. She gasped, "Oh no! These toys are covered in mystery grime." Noah blinked. "Who are you?" "I'm Soapy, and your toys are begging for a bubble rescue." At that moment, Grandma Rosa entered the room. "The fairy is right," she said. "Toys need cleaning just like anything else." She grabbed a bucket and a cloth. "Let's get to work." Noah wiped each toy while Soapy twirled above, spreading bubbles. Soapy clapped. "Clean toys equals safe fun." Noah hugged Grandma. "Let's clean them every week." Soapy waved goodbye through the window. Join the magic, subscribe.